One of the tough parts, Brent, I think one of the hurdles that people have with doing land is they don't know what to offer. They don't know how to value land. So can you, and by the way, on Wholesale Hotline, we get this question all the time, in my DMs, on my YouTube videos that I talk about land. The question keeps coming up, how do I value land? How do you get comfortable valuing land?
Yeah, I would say the easiest way for me to answer that, I want to start with this, is don't worry about being the expert. Like, we don't have to be on the expert on what things are worth. I'll talk about the first couple parcels of land I sold. I just called realtors. First realtor doesn't know, the second realtor does, or that first realtor refers me to a realtor. Oh yeah, Bob, and I don't care about that. Call him. What's his number? Realtors. And then Zillow. Zillow makes it so easy. You can go on Zillow and draw the little map, like in the area, draw that little map and then put in lots and land, and you can see what's available for sale currently. And then you can press the solds and you can see what's sold. It's not always super accurate, but you're just looking for a general basis of like, hey, I see that this 5 acres went for 5,000, or this 5 acres went for 10,000. But let's keep it easy numbers. Like, if you see that 5 acres has went for $5,000, it's selling for about $1,000 an acre. So let's offer 10 cents on the dollar. So let's offer $100 an acre. And then number 3, probably my favorite, easiest. You don't have to call anybody. I know you're all about calling people. So let's talk to the TTP audience. Get on the phone with a realtor right now. Call them. We have a cold caller, by the way, that calls realtors only. Like, it's phenomenal. Genius. But the third, my absolute favorite, is the land sites. Landwatch.com, landwatch.com, landflip.com, landcentury.com. You can see what other people are selling these parcels of land for, and just take it from them. They've already done the work. Just get the average. That's it. We're only looking at averages here.
Love it.